turang sa na dumating tu. Na Wiliame level ni na presidente na kunobi. Ano ta minum ni matatim. Wawaraw ti ko ng sota kiruro. Do sa kamu na tumber sa ka naman kamumi na kabinani ko. O sa tumber sa kamu na. Nasana rin tataw sa ko. Nanong ni matatim.
Tahu cuma dalam bosa ni sakuat atau sawar bujo ni berapa kota. Kenapa kami ko sa nakaka marang ng ordenak. Iwan ko ni rai ni cunggun kami ko.
Nakasawar ay tinggal cunggun kini siyo. Kamu nang sa tercungan di wali lagi mga Terus sampai bisa cuma kini itu marela.
Number 6 at left flanker, Lekima Tagitagihon. Number 7 at right flanker, Levani Botia. At number 8, Albert Tuisue. Number 9 at scrum half, Frank Lomani. Number 10 at fly half, Caleb Mans. Number 11 at left wing, Celestino Rabutamana. Number 15 at fullback, Sireli Mangala. Number 19, Te Ahiwarun Diri Kindabeta.
First of all, in all the speeches that I gave to the team that did the town it's in two parts. First, I would like to acknowledge the team management and the trustees and the coaches and all the supporters that are with the team daily. It's something that always inspires me is to see that what we do for our country and what we do for something that we believe in without getting returns from it. It is something special because things that you do from the heart, some things that we do that you value, I feel that is important because you live with families, those very close to you when you live your work. You even leave your loved ones. It's just something that you believe in. And for that, I have to acknowledge you for all that. And I will always pray my prayers that may you be fulfilled with God's blessings for you and your descendants for what you have done to the sports rugby in Fiji. As you know, is what Katonivere has said. Sports rugby is something. It's something that changes the game. It changes the lifestyles of Fiji. It can even stops the nation. People do extraordinary things for rugby. Remember in Maivalili, they have to take up generators out to the hills just to go and watch rugby. They go out to sea just to watch rugby. That's how important rugby. For you to give your time in your home to support rugby, it means a lot, and for that we are always forever grateful. Those few words again, Wiliame, to the team. This morning I was reading, sharing with Philo, on the book of Nehemiah, first chapter 1. When he heard stories of his men, of his kinsmen coming from Jerusalem, and he asked them, how's Jerusalem? How's our home? And he said, well, there's big problems going there. People are being tortured, our villages are being burned, they have taken away our culture, they're taking over traditions, and they're taking our life from us. And it kind of hurt him, because he was a cupbearer for the king of Persia. And what he did, he cried himself to the Lord and said, Father, they are suffering. What can I do? What can I do? Inspire me to do something. So what he did, he politely asked the king if he could go back to his homeland to build up the walls that was damaged. And recently, one thing I must let you know that I speak my mind. Recently, the Rugby Union was in the news. Things happened. But things came up, there were a lot of changes. And then people were concerned about what's going to happen to our Rugby World Cup. And then, little did we know that there were some Nehemiahs out there in France, in England, wherever you were, and even with Angola. All those Nehemiahs heard the voice. And they said, no, I have to go and build up that wall. So here you are today. The judge has been given, you have been given a summon, that message from the Talatala, that you will take Fiji to high standards. You will take Fiji to where we want Fiji to be. I know you go through your hardships, your families, you may have your plans, but yet you took that, they made that decision to leave all that. To leave all the glamour, to leave all that thing in France, wherever you were playing, to come back here and to build up the Fiji Rugby Union. That's it. Nothing else. Your playing in rugby will inspire a lot of Fijians. Like what Tautau said, if Narunga wins, all again Narunga will get better. But for you to win, it's a different, you don't know how it feels for us as supporters. And you have your own feeling, but for us as supporters, it's a different feeling. Some shed tears, some cry, some do silly things, just to express how they feel about your achievements. And this is going to be, I think, the last, I think it's going to be the last few words I would say to you, before you embark on your journey. Sailing the uncharted waters, you're going to play rugby tomorrow, and then you'll go on to the rest of the tournament. I just want to remind you with those, what Nehemiah did. Make sure that when you go and build up that wall, make it unbreakable, make it strong, so that no other team can come and break down the wall that you have built. Remember that. And to conclude, I watched the movie, Rudy, suggest the young guy played at the final. He played for Notre Dame. And on the finals, in the finals, and the coach said to them before running out into the ground, this is, you're going to play in Otoka. That is your ground. That is your home. And nobody comes there to beat us up. So go there and do what gladiators do. Don't let them beat us in Otoka. Abrindo a esquerda. Não estou valha. Como ando tan ramo domingo de Guina. Assim dua lete meramente bom domingo. Não mudou longa sonho, né? Não mudou. Que na tarde de sábado um ganti que um domingo na clube. Tu sabes isso que não do cigarete de clube. Tu sabes que pode ir para aí e tal. Sando tu bem, me ver todo mundo dormir tu bem, Simon, manter por na pode dormir tu bem. Satu mo kima do sa may moso mo bikin do no bibiti sa mo do dola tole parti que mundo na cado elimenti cado sul mekin do le wala te libiti ne singa tak no mas de ba ko ngati que do no e non de rola ninga ta la que singa sa
Yeah.